Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you a super agent that changed the world of agentic way the people code. And this is a new agentic framework called Genspark AI, which is a Chinese company that created a model, a super agent that is actually better than Manus that we've been talking a lot about recently, and it is a wrapper of all agents we currently know, and that we can use to code, to perform tasks, and to achieve results. In fact, we can see that from in Reddit and in some relevant article that in the Gaia benchmark it scored 87%, which is actually much higher than 71% that Manu scored before. And this is Gaia is a framework that tests the agentic framework on the ability and performance to achieve a real world task. And that is amazing. One thing you can see when you go to the website is that you can do everything with it. You can not only code, but you can generate video, you can generate images, you can perform deep research, you can perform a call with it, and also you can choose all agents to check between all the agents available listed. So this shows how in future probably other agents will be also added. It's just the start, and we can see that this is really going. That China is really leading in the AI, and I see also a trend of Europe banning these models, the DeepSeek models, the app. And to be honest, I think that also is doing the same with the Genspark because I try to log in. I'm right now in Europe, and it actually shows me that this website is not secure. It doesn't allow Google me to log in into this framework to try it out because it is required to log in to enter. I don't think that we should ban models that are better than or Europe ones because it just penalizes ourselves from using the best model, which is unfair. And I don't believe we should just use models from US. We should use any model that is the best, and we should do a fair competition. So I really don't like when I see that I can't use DeepSeek on my phone. I cannot download the app because of whatever rules that is set up. Too many rules, to be honest. The AI race is first, and we should be able to use any model that come from anywhere. If in Zimbabwe they make in future a new model that is better than OpenAI, we should be able to access it, not ban it, because anyway, who has these models will eventually uh, have more power than other countries. No matter what they do, the others. We should all have a fair competition. Close this parenthesis. Let's go back to Genspark and let's see that we have also the super agent functionality. And here is where it asks me to log in mandatorily. To use it, I need to log in. And we will make an attempt to log in again, but I've been unsuccessful. But still, I wanted to show you this tool because I want to promote fair competition, and this is the best model in terms of agentic framework similar to Manus AI. So you should be able to use a model like this if you get to do that. Use the VPN. I believe I don't have a VPN right now, but probably use the VPN in China or I don't know. Try that. I think if it works, it would be fantastic and use it. By the way, confirm that this browser or app might not be secure. As you can see, it seems not secure. I'm sure that there are a lot of rules, GDPR, and I just think that we are over regulated about the type and usage of application, and we should also be, if we are willing to give our data, why shouldn't I? If my data in any way is an email, is a Google email, which is actually an email that is proven to be safe. So, as you can see, I cannot use it, but the concept remain the same, which is that this model exists and that you should use it. I saw some tutorials of people that managed to use it. I actually managed for for few days to perform a task, but I ran out of credits. The model cost, I believe, $20 per month, and it give you 500. Let's try again. Genspark AI. It gives you. Let's check if we can, but 500 calls to best models out there, and other benefit to use all this tool all in the same framework. Let me know what you've been able to build with it. I'm very curious. Let's promote this tool everywhere in the world, and we want to build new things, and we want to be able to do that from anywhere. That's it from this video. Let me know in the comment what you think about it. The benchmark all clear. This is the best agentic model out there, and I'm gonna try hard to use it more. I'm curious to see other open source model similar to this. We know we tested Open Manus. We'll be testing that in future again to see how it is improving. We will test a lot of exciting agentic framework, and we will stay ahead of the curve. That's it from today, this video. I hope this was useful for you. Consider to subscribe the channel. Do you want to see me building some stuff with Genspark to buy the subscription, to use it? Let me know in the comment if you're curious. I'm gonna do it only if you're curious about it, but because this has a cost to the subscription. By the way, in the meantime, I want to let you know about it. So James Park is the king right now. Second place Manus, and then a lot of open source projects that can achieve the same thing or similar things. By the way, Open Manus, one of them. We see you in the next video. Okay, guys, we won, and I've been able to access Genspark AI, and now we will use it. What we can do here, as you can see, we will generate a task. Let's think of an application that we want to build. We want to build a thumbnail generator. It's something I've been doing with Replit, as you could see in the previous video. But I want to see how it behaves in Genspark with all this multi-agent framework to do the same thing. So let's build a YouTube thumbnail generator. Should be something small, to be honest. Probably better a website. Let's build a website because I will soon run out of credit with this new email. Website for the YouTube channel Techie Talk AI. Let's see if we can find out which is relevant to the content I make. Let's see if we can also understand the content I make. Let's give some spark of difficulty. And yeah, let's do this. Seems simple enough, probably. Let's go. So it's thinking how to build it. Okay, it found my channel. You can see the content. Interesting. Now understand your channel better. It appears your channel focused on AI tools, technology tutorials, and related content. Let me know in detail information about a couple of your videos to understand your. Okay, let me get more in detail. Okay, it's getting more details of the video I do. Perfect. Now how understanding on the channel. Fantastic. I'll create a website for YouTube. Okay, great. It's building the process of the structure of the website and the website right away, which is showing the code in the preview. Fantastic. By the way, I just wrote once and is doing everything without even asking me, total independent. It feels also quite fast in with the way it is developing. We will also understand the depth of how it is developing the website. Hopefully, wishing that to not run out of credit before it completes because it's really going for a few minutes now. Okay, it did. It built a website which is, to be honest, very beautiful. Wow, the image cannot be seen for now. Content categories, feature technologies with the logo, the video section is what about section, the categories, the newsletter. They built also the newsletter, the contact section, which I wonder if works. It sent an email to an email that doesn't exist. Okay. Contact information. Okay. Wow. I'm really impressed. It built a full stack web application website that I could download and use it. Subscribe the channel. Let's see if I can subscribe my own channel. Okay, it linked to the website. Fantastic. No. By the way, subscribe the channel considering it's also asking the video to do that. By the way, what do you think? To me, sounds impressive. It is reading the number of subscribers I have, the videos I've made. Wow, the level of attention of this website is impressive. I'm seriously thinking to deploy this website. This all made with one unique prompt. Okay, that's it from today. Let me know in the comment what you think about this tool. As I was saying before, you can there is a pricing section, 19.99, and while you have 200 free credits per day, you can build have 10,000 credits per month with this plan, and you can use all these models, which are the top models. You can use it have access to the image, and it has in the image tool. It have also access to the video tools, and that's it. Super impressed. Okay, that's it for today.